Hey guys, Swept Go Rad Performance here. So, today I'm venturing where I thought I'd never be, a dash gauge cluster of a 1984 Camaro. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your little socket, it's a T10 Torx, if my camera could focus. And then you're going to remove all of those. There's 8, 4. Then after that, he just comes out, very simple. Plastic gauge face. And then now I'm moving on to these, which happen to be a 5.5 millimeter, and I'm going to pull off this face. I have all these silver hex head screws, which is the 5.5. I have it on my Milwaukee. Pulled all those out now. So that's the clear dash lens itself, that is, with all those screws. And this bracket or face, whatever you'd like to call it, was also held in by those same 5.5 millimeter hex head screws. And then now we are down to it, and I have to unbolt those 3 so I can get out this tach and put my new circuit board in it. Okay guys, so these are also 5.5 millimeter, 1, 2, and 3. This one was already missing, of course. Save my hardware. So I think someone's been already back here. I believe this just slides right out, like so. I believe there's just prongs on the back of it. So now let's dive into the switchboard. Hey guys, so I got everything out. This looks pretty fried out, so I'm pretty sure the circuit board is shot, so hopefully this new one's gonna work. This comes with instructions. The guy is on eBay for 50 bucks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove these for the tach and the oil gauge resistor. So guys, there's 3 over here for this oil resistor, and there's 3 over here. The rest of these, I think they're still, maybe not. I may have to crack these more loose. So yes guys, it is just 3 and 3 with the little washer with the nuts. So it's 3 prong for tach and oil. I'm gonna get the new board. Okay guys, so I got the new board here. Just gonna go ahead and drop it in. Okay, and then I'm gonna go put this guy right where he was, so that way hopefully everything works just as it did, and I'm gonna bolt him down. Okay guys, so I got the 6 on. I'm gonna put the Milwaukee on it, being careful not to strip anything, just run them down real slow. Okay guys, so I zipped them all in, all 6, reinstall it. Hey guys, I'm back in the Camaro. I just slid that boy in. All my gauges are firing away. Tach and gauges right off the bat. Now, if you'll notice, all my lights are out. That's because I'm swapping over to LEDs. But that's for another video, and I'm gonna explain to you why they don't work. So please like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate the recent support, and I'll see you guys in the next video about these LEDs.